Climate change is affecting sea surface temperature, sea level rise, increased intensity of tropical storms and rainfall, flooding and loss of important wetland ecosystems are increasing due to sea level rise and ocean acidification. One community already seeing catastrophic repercussions of climate change is Isle de Jean Charles. Isle de Jean Charles, nicknamed the Bathtub, is vulnerable because it is in a large swath of land in a tropical-subtropical region where warming and acidification are present. The coastal areas where it resides in southern Louisiana are shrinking by a football field a minute, according to the NRDC. In addition to climate change, the oil and gas industry has been a large contributor, building canals and drilling wells that expose the marshland to seawater. It is forecasted that sea levels will rise between 1.41 and 2.72 feet by 2067. Dams and levees upriver of the Mississippi have prevented crucial sediment deposits on the island to sustain the marshes. Taking away freshwater sources and exposing the marshland to salinated ocean water will dissolve the marshes. Increased frequency and intensity of tropical storms could cause erosion of barrier islands and threaten the ecosystems there. Sea turtles, coral reefs, and seaweed. Warmer waters could drive out cold-water fish habitat and increase invasive species. The sustainability of life on Isle de Jean Charles is reaching nearly impossible. Many essential businesses are closing down, leaving just some 26 families, mostly belonging to the Biloxi Choctaw tribe. This has a huge impact culturally for the tribe, who is watching their land disappear and being forced out of it. Access to school and work are also being affected, as the single road that leads through the island is constantly flooding. At this point, there is not much time to save the land for the people who reside on it. There is a large push to relocate the residents by the Louisiana Office of Community Development and the Foundation for Louisiana through LA Safe, Louisiana's strategic adaptation for future environments, to provide access to education and start conversations about climate change and the logistics of continuing to live on the island. Environmentally, the Coastal Master Plan was developed to restore the Mississippi's natural sediment deposits and build levees. It is largely supported by the people, but the question remains of who will pay for it, as the oil and gas industry largely responsible for the disintegration of the island will not.